Welcome to Miss Larson's Grade 1 Science class. Today we'll be going over how to predict and describe the changes in color that result from the three primary colors. First, we'll go over what the three primary colors are. We have yellow, red, and blue. To start off our experiment, we will be mixing blue and red. Let's predict what we think will happen when we mix blue and red together. We get purple. In this video, it's a little bit dark to see, but it is purple. Next, we'll be mixing red with yellow. What do you think will happen when we mix these two colors together? We get orange. Here's the orange. Next, we'll be mixing blue with yellow. And what do you think will happen when we mix these colors together? We get green. So that's awesome. Now, to show you that not only when we mix these colors together in water do we get secondary colors, we can also do that with paint. And first I'll go over what the secondary colors are. As you can see, the secondary colors here are purple, orange, and green. Now we're just going to move these out of the way, and we're going to do it with paint. So when we mix red paint here and yellow, do you remember what we got last time? We have to mix, and we get orange. And when we mix blue and red, can you remember what we got last time for that as well? We got mix, purple. And then when we mix yellow and blue, can you remember what we got last time as well? We got mix, green. And now we're going to talk about what happens when we mix our secondary colors with white and black. Now, can we predict what will happen if we mix white with purple? Does anyone have any ideas? Oh, I just have to open this one. Mix. You get a lighter purple from before. And now the same thing happens when you add white to the orange we had before, or the green we had before, or even if you mixed white with primary color. So if you mixed white with the blue or white with the red, you're going to get a lighter color. So white makes the first color lighter. And then, can we predict what will happen if we add black to one of our colors? So I'm going to add it to the green we had from before. Does anyone have any ideas? mix, mix. You get a darker green. And the same thing happens, as I said before, with white, it makes it lighter, but with black, it's going to make it darker. So if we added black to the blue, you're going to get a darker blue. If you add black to red, you're going to get a darker red. And the same with yellow, and the same with orange. Same with every color. If you're going to add black, it's going to make it darker. If you're going to add white, it's going to make it lighter. Yes. Now I'm going to talk about, yes, we did everything, we mixed the paint, and then we also mixed our water with dye. And the same thing when they're making your clothes, or if you see different colors of flowers, the dye is what changes the color. So that's our mini lesson for today. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you guys soon.